Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Jeep Commander key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you wish to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. It's also important to confirm your Jeep Commander has the factory alarm system, as this method relies on its presence for successful programming. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, sit in the driver's seat and ensure all doors are securely closed. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Within 10 seconds, press and hold the unlock button on an already programmed key fob for about 5 seconds. This action helps the vehicle recognize it's entering a programming sequence. Listen for a chime. Once you hear the chime, indicating programming mode is active, take your new, unprogrammed key fob. Within 10 seconds of the chime, press and hold the unlock button on this new fob for about 5 seconds. You should hear another chime, confirming it has been successfully programmed. Repeat this step for any other new key fobs you wish to program, ensuring each is done within 10 seconds of the previous chime. To exit the programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the OFF position and remove it from the ignition. This action signals the vehicle to save all the newly programmed key fob information. Now, it's crucial to test each of your key fobs, both old and new, to ensure they lock, unlock, and activate the panic alarm correctly. Enjoy your newly programmed key fobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.